the Travers Model. Determine the priorities of your space by opting for a bedroom in lieu of the flex room and by adding a guest suite to the home's main level. Common spaces abound with memories to be made in the kitchen, family room, and dining room. Those dwelling on the upper level enjoy advanced privacy in 3 bedrooms, each appointed with walk-in closets and ensuite baths. Lounge in a comfortable owner suite and find a place for everything in the expansive closet. Decide to choose storage or entertainment by opting to add a media room, den, and more to an unfinished lower level. For more information on these models or others, please call or click today and our team will be happy to assist.